best buy. Doesn't mean that you can't buy it, even though it's not the best. So I don't know. I don't see anything growing in there. I'm assuming it's okay. Thought I'd take a second and explain the next several videos in the series on Harvest 21. This is from this last fall, and as you're seeing here, some pictures I just threw in of harvest past. But in short, that's what we're going to be showing, the highs and lows, things that I've forgotten about, and glad I've forgotten about, and some things that were exciting as well. So hope you enjoy. Turkey chores are over for this day. Beautiful morning, as you saw. Beautiful. Woo. So the day begins. Fall day, and let's see, we're still trying to get things ready for our harvest. Trying to get that ready. Oh boy. Yep, I'm the employee of the month again. What can I say? Real quick, I'm gonna clean out the tractor. We're gonna put this one on the grain cart. And so I have not been in it since planting. Yeah, I know, shame on me. But anyways, I'm gonna clean some stuff out here. Now, I don't know if you're a fan of Kim's Convenience, which is on Netflix. I don't know how many seasons, 5 or 6 seasons. But if you haven't seen it, see, like, I'm looking at some of this food that's left over, you know, that from planting in May, and the older gentleman, the father, he's always talking about best buy. Doesn't mean that you can't buy it, even though it's not the best. So I don't know. I don't see anything growing in there. I'm assuming it's okay. Hey, and if you the trailer, or no, what do they call that? The pilot is good. And episode, let's see, season 1, episode 9, I believe it is. Oh, if you've ever experienced what goes on when you get sick like that, you know, whew, you gotta check it out. Kim's Convenience on Netflix. It's hilarious. Hey, this applesauce don't look bad. What do you think? All right, so in an effort to get smarter here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use a paint marker and I'm going to label these. You know, things got to get easier over time, and hopefully that's what I'm doing. But anyways, I've done zip ties before, different colored zip ties. Well, the problem with those, if they're in the sunlight and most of our stuff sits outside, well, that turns into white after a while. Then I've tried 2 zip ties versus 1 zip tie. Well, then I couldn't remember, well, was the top 2 and the left 2, you know, was return, so on. Anyways, I'm gonna use a paint pen, and we'll see how long that lasts. Got a bad grease zerk, and bought this little kit a few years ago. So I'll just real quick see if I can change it. Which I may not be able to. It's a little bitty. because they thread out if you've not. Like I drove over that. They're a little threaded in that one. Yep, that one's gone. Okay, now do I have one that size? Let's see here. Let's try this little brute. Let's see. Sometimes with the gloves you can't get in there. Yep, that one's not going to. Let's try this littler one. Maybe metric. I just assumed it was standard. I do have some metric ones. Whoop, I think I'll get some metric ones. Like I say, I think I better put some in it. I don't know how much gravel I'm supposed to put in to keep it from leaking. Got the cab cam wired up and got a little, I used a seed corn sign post that's got the inner piece and the outer piece so that I can just pop that off, leave everything there, but pop it off. Got it zip tied on and safely in the cab, and kind of hard to see in the sun, but there is up above, so I can see now how the grain's coming in, or whoever's running this particular rig. So that's ready. Let's shuffle. Time to move things around. See what else we can tear up this morning. Alright, everything there. Reverse. And now let's back up and not hit a tree. This tractor is a super steer. Ford New Holland 8870, I believe it is. 88 or 89. Looks like the mirrors are set. I can see them. See behind me. That's cool. That's cool. Yep, right there. John Deere, because it's needing some love on its light bulbs. I don't know if you can see that. See the light bulb hanging off the back of the cab there? Okay, some of you, if you'll check back some of our older videos, Old Blue here got a transplant. Mo the mechanic Molly, she talks about we changed the engine. Shadow Man put an engine in it. Anyways, today, real quick here before it rains, I think it's gonna rain today, we're gonna take Old Blue down to the gravel pit and get some pea gravel for the Noah's Ark at church and get that done. I need to get that in there because it's dry right today. Probably won't be dry maybe this evening. We'll see if it rains. anyways, so that's what we're doing. And we got check the oil here, because that's how we led to not having an engine. Was I hadn't been checking the engine oil, and it's my understanding you're supposed to have oil in it, I guess. Anyway, so is back home, and we've got the cylinder repaired. Folks, mechanic repaired it, and put in a new camshaft, I believe it was, in there. So we should be good here. So I had all of the sheet metal off for the tracks when we pulled the tracks. I had all this off for hydraulic filters. So we got that back on there, and got both sides there of that on the Cat 55 project there. If you look back in the videos, there were several on repairing the steering clutch, and actually it was this one we found out, but we did both sides. And so now I'm going to manhandle with the forklift, or with the skid steer, I hope, manhandle the 3-point hitch, get it back on there, and we should be good to go. Well, that does it for finishing that project. Now, it did take a little bit longer, simply because the tractor, after we got going in the spring, we were putting on anhydrous, and it finally gave up on us. So we didn't get it back till mid-July, something like that. And so this is the first opportunity here for me to get that. We're going to use this for some field work, and hopefully I'll be able to get that on this evening as well. So I may show that also. Long project. Hopefully it turns out to be the right decision. We put a lot of money into the tractor. I like the tractor. I like a lot about the tractor. However, just because I like something doesn't mean that that's the right decision, or that was the right investment. We'll see. This fall will tell us. And if things don't go, then we'll have to make other decisions. But that's what we're doing.
Dion, what do you have?
I got a drink for Dad.
Oh.
Hey, I got you a drink. Dad, where do you want me to take your drink?
What I'm doing is I'm going into the butt of the combine. This is where all the stuff comes out. And so basically I'm a combine proctologist.
And how you treat dogs like that is you have to give them a bone, then you give them a treat.
Does Walter get lots of treats?
We give him as many treats.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Where is your dog that you trained? Why don't you call him?
Walter dog. He's right there. Walter dog.
Does he come when you call him?
Walter dog. And he's Claire.
That's Claire.
Look like it's trained too.
Where's your trained Walter dog?
I train Walter dog. Hi, Walter dog. Walter dog likes her. That's how this do that. That makes you look like. That makes her awesome. Hey, Walter dog. Walter dog, come here. Walter dog. Hey, Walter dog. Walter dog. Walter dog.
There he is.
So,
Hey, Walter dog.
Walter dog, come here. Come here.
Hey, Dion, watch this. Dion, watch this.
What?
Come here.
What's it?
Ready? Call Dion. Call Whoa. Whoa. Come here, buddy. See? Look.
I don't know how to do this.
Like and subscribe on YouTube and follow us on Facebook. Ask your questions so we can all learn together. Come and grow with us.